Greetings, Mariners. I'm Ms. Iverson.
And I'm Belle.
And today we're going to show you how to use the online subscription Britannica Encyclopedia.
Okay, so you're going to go to trschools.com and you're going to find High School North. And like she said, go to the Portable Mariner Media Center. And if you scroll down, you will see all the different subscription databases. And we're going to be looking at Britannica today. So click on it and learn more. And it'll take you to the login.
So you need the super secret passwords. You need to get them on paper from the Mariner Media Center, or look on your Google Classroom under Freshmen, and I have it posted there. Or otherwise you can email at kiverson@trschools.com, but I'm only going to be checking that during the school day. All right, so we're in with the super secret passwords. Belle, how do I find anything in here?
Well, say you want to look up Ethiopia, you'll go up to the search bar, search up what you're looking for, and it will give you a whole bunch of different articles that you want to look at.
And we want the country.
Exactly. So here we go. We have Ethiopia, and it'll give you the article. And if you go to the up right, you could print it, email it, or cite it, which is cool.
Wait, show me the cite button.
Here you'll choose a citation style, which is typically MLA, so you'll keep that. And then you could just copy and paste it, and you have it right there to put on your citation page.
Beautiful. Oh, there's one more piece I wanted to show you. So you see how this has a 3 here. So this is the highest difficulty of reading level. If you're reading this and you're saying, oh my goodness, this just seems confusing to me, if you hit the 1, it simplifies the reading level for you. Maybe make it easier for you to understand. Okay. All right. Or 2 is about medium, easy to understand. So let's go back to the 3. So Belle, what if I really want to find other sources on the internet? How does Britannica help me do that?
Well, the experts of Britannica, if you go down to the bottom left, the web's best sites, hand-picked a bunch of articles that they personally think are the best and probably will give you the best facts.
That's great. Belle, thank you so much for taking the time to go over this with us.
Thank you.